Quickly, I want to show you guys how to add your Facebook page to your business manager account. I've logged into my business manager account now, and I select that particular business I want to add the page to. Make sure you have selected it and go to business setting. Then ensure that that particular business is selected. You are going to go to pages. There is a page that has been added before, but I want to add another page. So you click on this drop down, you click add a page, then go and get the URL of that page and paste it here to show the page. Select it and click add. The reason we are seeing it automatically is because I have added the Instagram page to that particular Facebook page. They are linked together. That is why it is showing automatically now. Ensure you know the password to the Instagram and type your password, then click login. Save this one now. Okay, let me save the info. And that is it. It has been added successfully. Let's close it now. So that is how you can add your page to business manager account. From now, if you want to run ad, it will be available for you to select that page and promote that page in your business manager account. And as you are promoting the page on Facebook, you can as well promote it on Instagram simultaneously.